this release we have 3 new features, a few improvements to connections, the ability to make webhooks, and improved authentication options for the Web API. When creating a new automation flow that starts with a connection trigger, you can now indicate what type of connection it is. Zapier, Web API, SOAP, or the new webhook. Any existing connection automation flow that you will have will be available for Zapier, SOAP, and Web API, but new ones will only be one of these. Starting from this release, Triggre supports webhooks, publicly available Web API endpoints that can be used for advanced connections, for example, authentication processes such as OAuth. You can add inputs and outputs to webhooks just like you do with a Web API. The only difference is that webhooks have no authentication, or, in other words, are publicly available. Last but not least, we have improved basic authentication in the Web API. You can now use a username and password from the application, for example from your inputs from your flow part, instead of only a static username and password. This means you can now use the same API action for multiple users, for example, by supplying the username and password as an input to your flow part. Please note that storing passwords in this way can be a security risk. We recommend to only use this approach with API keys or with accounts that have restricted access.